have one thing to install real quick. I'm getting this thing ready for Tuner Originals in Dallas, Texas. We're leaving tomorrow, which is Friday, to go ahead and go there. I have one thing to install left. If you don't know already, my name is Bailey Durant, and I have a 2015 BMW M4 that I finally got ready for Tuner Originals. We're leaving tomorrow, like I already mentioned, but there's a few things I missed. So last time, my last video, I was doing the brakes and doing all the paint matching and stuff with the powder coating. Well, when I actually did the brake, like bleeding and all of that, I ran out of SD card space, and really early on. And I was in a rush because I had to get back in Norman, and I just apologize. Apologize to my future self when I watch this video and everybody else that actually enjoys watching my videos, if you enjoy my videos. But here it is. It's a 2015 BMW M4. Another thing you probably noticed is I actually got it bagged. I didn't bag it. Tilson Innovation, highly recommend him. His name is Brian. He did a fantastic job. He did not drill a single hole in my car. And here, let's just look it over. I'm gonna explain what I've done to the car, its future plans. The exhaust didn't come in just yet, but this thing is gonna be loud. So here it is, guys. It's an ENS front lip and carbon canards I just added, paint match reflectors. I got the custom headlights that I just paint matched and put Domo inside. I vinyl wrapped the grills. I need to rewrap them because it is peeling right there. But you do have the blue behind. Again, that same blue behind the grills is also on the brakes instead of that dark blue. You got the PSM side extensions with the AutoTecknic. I love AutoTecknic. They got the side vent carbon. Inside have the M Performance steering wheel. It's Alcantara with the blue buttons. I have the AutoTecknic dry carbon gloss coated shift knob, so the AutoTecknic shift knob. I have the BMW Performance shift boot with handbrake and center console. I did also make all the stitching blue. It matches the same blue in the steering wheel. I have the cage by Studio RSR. There's my Instagram. I tinted the taillights myself. I also got the PSM rear deck lip. I also have the PSM 4-piece rear diffuser with some replacement of reflectors. They're plastic, they kind of look like the factory venting right there. Good look. I got the black emblem. Here's the trunk. I didn't clean it, but I have the tank. I need to polish it up. Looks super good. I can still use my trunk. I didn't want to go anything fancy. Underneath here, let me pop that up. There's my compressors. I got two of them just in case one goes out. Airlift. It's an Airlift 3P. Super clean. I just want to make this video, do a quick walk around, nothing special. There's been so much for this vehicle and changed so much, and I owe you guys an apology for missing the videos I should have filmed. But look at this thing. It's turned out great. I love it. But yes, again, I'll be at Tuner Originals. I'm posting this now, which is Friday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow if you show up. It is supposed to rain. I don't know what the plans on that is because I think it's an outdoor event. I guess only time will tell, but hope to see people there. And well, I'm blown away. First of all, I didn't think I'd ever own an M4, especially in my young 20s. And then all of a sudden, I never thought I'd get bagged and performance. It's all within 6 months, so I feel great about it. I'm excited. I'm excited for the future. I can't wait to be loud. Can't wait to set off alarms. It is coming. I just can't stop staring at it. All right, guys. See you next time.